Introduction. Raju and Ravi were cousins. They met every year during summer vacation. There, at night, they slept under the open sky. They used to gaze at the night sky and looked at different patterns formed by the stars. Their uncle, Mr. Subramanian, was a professor
who told them about galaxy and space.
In this lesson, you will learn about Earth and its natural satellite, gravitational pull, and space. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify how our Earth looks from space, discuss about life in space, explain about the gravitational pull, discuss about the night sky,
to know about Sunita Williams and her experience in the space.
How our Earth is really like. Earth, our home, is the third planet from the Sun. It is the only planet where life exists because of the presence of air and water. The Earth is not perfectly spherical, but it is very close to that of the shape of a sphere. It looks like a globe. Globe and map. A globe is a model of the Earth. A globe is more accurate than a flat map because it mimics the true shape of the Earth and is able to accurately portray continent shapes and distance between land masses. All the lines on the maps and globe are the imaginary lines drawn by the human. The horizontal lines are known as latitudes, while the vertical lines are known as longitudes. Natural satellite. The Earth has only one natural satellite, the Moon. It appears big because the distance of the Moon from the Earth is less than
that between the Earth and the Sun.
The Moon appears as the brightest object in the sky after the Sun, but it does not have its own light. It reflects the light of the Sun. There is no life on the Moon. Its gravity is almost 1/6 of the Earth's gravity. The objects feel lighter on the Moon's surface due to less gravity. Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin, and Michael Collins were the first astronauts to land successfully on the Moon. Gravity. Due to the gravitational force of the Earth, we don't fall off. This is only the reason why things stay in their own places. This is something that space lacks. Therefore, everything keeps floating in space. Life in space. The area outside the Earth is the space. In space, there are various celestial objects like planets, meteors, stars, and more. Space is a quiet place. There are many astronauts who have been to space. An astronaut is one who is properly trained to travel to space by spacecraft. Things float in space as there is no gravity.
Now let's discuss about Sunita Williams' experiences. Sunita Williams is an Indo-American astronaut. She spent the longest time in space and has made a record for women astronauts. Sunita Williams traveled to India to fulfill her friend Kalpana Chawla's dream and shared her experiences in space with the children. She said that they can't walk into a spaceship but float. They drank floating water and ate floating food.
Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Earth is the only planet where life exists. The Earth's natural satellite is the Moon. There is no gravity on the Moon. The area outside the Earth is the space.
Sunita Williams spent the longest time in space and has made a record for women astronauts.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.